Hello there. How are you today, my friends? Did Mr. Nick tell you that there was a very important science experiment that I had to show you? Well, I hope so. If you would like to do this science experiment at home, you'll just need a little bit of hand wash, some black pepper, a plate, or a shallow surface that you can put water in, filled up with water. Here, I'll show you. Once I have those three things and I have my lab coat on, I can begin my experiment. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about germs. Germs is a very important subject in the world today because some of my friends in the world are getting sick. And it can be a bit scary out there in the world, but it is something that we can control. And one of the ways that we control the spread of germs is by washing our hands. We like to make sure our hands are extra clean, and I'm going to show you the best way how. I'm also going to show you why the germs don't like to stick to our hands. I saw this experiment with my friend Adrian and his parents, Larry and Deanna. They showed me this science experiment, and I would like to thank them for that. So give them a round of applause. Thank you, my friends. So, let's get started on our science experiment. What I'm going to do, here, would you guys like to see a little bit better? I'm going to take my black pepper and my plate filled with water, and I'm just going to dump some in there. Can you see? Yes. So, I've got my black pepper. Make sure it doesn't make you sneeze like it does sometimes. Now, I've got my black pepper in my water. Now comes the fun part. I have soap here, just regular hand soap. It is a foaming hand soap, and it's ocean mist scent. I don't know what that means, but it smells good. I'm going to take 1 pump of soap and 2 pumps of soap. I've got it right in the palm of my hand. I'm going to take this hand and I'm going to smoosh it together. So I made a soap sandwich. Now, I'm going to sing the ABCs while I rub in the soap that is on my hands. Singing the ABCs makes sure that you get all the soap in everywhere on your hands, and it makes sure that it gives you enough time to get away all the germs that may be resting on your hands. So we're going to try to get the soap all over our hands, and then I'm going to show you what it does to germs. So, sing along with me if you know the ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. I hope that you sang with me. Now my hands, they're nice and soapy. And I'm going to wipe this one off because I need to use it so I can hold the phone so you can see the science experiment. So I'm just going to wipe it on a clean surface, which is a paper towel that I have right over here. Now I'm going to pick up the phone, and I'm going to take this hand, and I'm going to place it into my germs. Remember, I just put soap all over my hands, so it should be clean. So none of the germs should be attracted to it. Let's find out. Now, if you can see here, all the germs went away from my hands. They're not attracted to the soap. And that is how we fight this crazy disease and germ spreading that is going on in our world today. It's a pretty easy experiment, and it's really fun to do. But it also gives us a very important lesson about cleanliness, because everything that we touch, we could take these germs that are in here, and we could spread them all over the world. And while we not may get sick from the germs, our friends might get sick from the germs, and that could be very scary for them. So my friends, don't forget when you're washing your hands to sing your ABCs fully. You put the soap together, you rub it between both hands while singing the ABCs. Get all the parts of your hands, all your fingers, your fingernails, the palms, every part of your hands, and wash it off completely with water. And then make sure to dry it off with a clean paper towel. And that, my friends, is how we can fight germs. I hope you've enjoyed my science experiment for today. I don't think I'll see you for a little bit. I'm going to take a little break from science experiments until Monday, but I hope to see you then. Have a good rest of the weekend, and goodbye, my friends.